program or to anchor this program, I want to get to like 1K views. Any other thing contrary to that, no video, no live. 1K views, 1K views. Share to your neighbors, share to everyone, share to the market. Market. Oh my goodness, my daughter just got me. My daughter just got me. Here. My daughter just got me gifts. Also, I couldn't even remember that Natal Mother's Day. Imagine how stressful and heck. Them now not coming here because share this program 1,000 1,000 views before I'll be able to start up there. $1,000 views, 1K. Get 1K views, 1,000 people watching. I mean 100 into 10. That's 1,000 now. So share it, because manama there with time to come and anchor live program. So anything without sharing, no program. You share, I program. No sharing, no program. No sharing, no program. No sharing, no program. If I did not get to 1,000, you guys know that I don't have to put that live if you cover story or them and the mother na crazy. I don't do that. We are 1K views, my love. Who is this? Nadia Chichi. Nadia Chichi, thank you, my love. Mama, how are you doing, Nemo? I'm good. Namo Chibike. 1K views. 1K views. Yama viewers say room 1K views. Share and the nebogi. Gap on the nebogi. Now the cake woman self now for bed. I just lie down. No, I just go lie down for bed because I tired. I see my gele where I use commons. See my gele. See my gele where I use commons. See my pure gele. I have shared. Share to your neighbors. Share to your brothers and sisters. Share to people in diaspora. More than 1K views. I got my anchor this program and I have to rest because I've been so tired. To be honest, I didn't sleep since yesterday. $1K views. Yeah, because when you guys share, it's gonna get to 1K views. Without sharing, it's not gonna get to that. 1K views. You too fine. See open Are you sure? Say this will not be a crack open it. 1K views. Bang. You need to rest, Mama. Oh, Johnson, I'll rest, my love. I'm very tired. When I want to go and bed, they made live program. 1K views. Onaga. Continue sharing. 1K views. And at this program, Mr. Mike, I'm going to send you. I want you to recharge 50 people. Credits 50 people. Top up. Here for 50 people. Kenya by data for 50 people, 50 of my fans. Oh, why do I want to join APC? Yes, because as you guys can see, I'm Kenemen with PDP. You know, PDP, I don't know. I'm telling you, if actually the party is gonna revive. So it's better now I joined the moving train, because last 2 years, why I couldn't join them. That time now I was still like agitating for the referendum of my people, because whatever my people stand, that's where I stand. Wherever the Biafran stands, wherever they stand, that's where I stand. So I was supporting them in agitation of their referendum. So, but since then, up to now, Mariam, the whole thing is just, it's just, I don't just understand. So it's better, at least I've done my best, I've tried. It's better as I join APC and continue from where I stopped before. So share no 1K views. This is 202. 1K views. Orun 1K views. On my time I'll just say bye bye to you guys and relax. You guys know I don't really have much time coming on social media, so we can't put up 1 week. I'm gonna look more 3 days to come. 1K views before I will do my program. 1K views. 1,000. People are like, why are you showing your jewelries? Why are you showing gold, this, that? I'm showing you because if you want to buy, you buy from me. That's why I'm showing it. Like this gold watch, if you want to buy, you buy from me. Like these big rings, if you want to buy, you buy from me. So that's what I'm showing. They said I'm showing off clothes. I'm showing off these clothes so that if you want to buy, you order from me. I will sew it for you. I will get the Velasco Hollandis for you. This is Grand Super. I will get it for you. So it depends. So people, I don't like it when people are talking nonsense. So that is what it is. Whatever you see me wearing, like this veil is Dior veil. So this Dior veil you're seeing here, if you want it, you can order for it. Whatever you see me wearing, from jewelry, clothes, shoes, bags. Where is the bag I even went out with? I went out with a Chanel bag. So, but it's your money. And that bag I went out with it worth almost 18 million. So, this is your money. So people should stop complaining when they see me. And this is me. Naturally, I love fashion. It gives me joy when I see myself looking awesome. So share. Let me anchor the program I come with it. I came with a program that I want to anchor to you guys. Share this program. Share it. I want 1K views. 1K views before I will start saying what brought me here. 1K views, because I want everyone to listen to this. 1K views. 1K views. 1K views. Why would I stop? This is me. I don't know. Some people think this is me right from beginning. It has been me. This is how I dress. When I dress, you think I'm going for a party or I'm going for wedding. No, this is just, if I don't dress like this, I don't feel comfortable. I always dress gorgeous. You can only see me wearing simple whatever, maybe in the house. But once I'm going out of my house, I dress gorgeous. If I don't dress like this, I don't feel okay with myself. So everybody, it's just nature. Some people cannot dress like this only when they are going for events. 1K views is too much. Okay, then I'm not gonna say anything. If 1K views is not if it's not too much, yes, it's not too much. So if you're waiting for just 200 people to listen to this, no, I have how many thousand? I have almost 100,000 people watching on this platform. So why would you say 1K views is too much? It's 80,000, no, 100,000 people. So if I'm getting like 1,000 people view, why is it too much? Then you guys are not ready to listen. Yeah, my dressing is okay. That is it. I must dress like this, because if I don't dress like this, I don't feel okay. So a lot of people are complaining I'm showing off clothes, showing off things. So 1K views, also 1.1 views now. Don't get 1.1 views. And I'm 205 people now. I'll be how when they do the thing myself. Some Messi Mike confirmed to me. It's only Messi Mike that will tell me something that I'm going to believe now. Messi Mike confirmed to me how many people are watching. How many people are watching? How many people now watching? Messi Mike confirmed to me. Madonna na watching. Messi Mike, I'm still wearing. Somebody say 1.1K views. Messi Mike, I'm waiting. No, I'm not starting with any topic. Just keep sharing. I can see 217 people. 1K. This is not just a discussion of only 200 people. No, maybe I'll come back. You know, my camera social media now. You guys know how I come to. You can see me here today. To be after 2-3 days again, or 4 days before I'll come back again. So maybe after 4 or 5 days I'll come, or 2-3 days. It depends. Share. Where is Kahana? Oh, Kahana J Pipe. Hi, Kahana the guy say for Kano Germany. I've forgotten his name, but I like that guy, the way he the way he pronounces his words. So share to him, share to everyone. Share no coming no breaking news here. Share to everyone. 220 people are watching. Let's keep going. I'm seeing 232 people are watching. Just keep sharing. Without this getting to this, I'm not gonna add this program. So I want to okay, commune time. This is 5:58. Let's say this is 6 o'clock. In the next 20 minutes, by 6:20, we did not get to that 1K views. So but now if I drop this thing now, just change, maybe freshen up and sleep, because I'm tired. Igwe traditional wicked. Wicked. Hey, wicked. 240 now. Let's keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 1K views. Continue as you're sharing. I mean, can you to the I don't know, I'm used to this live program. I'm using this line. I try to make your name, but I'm using this phone to make a program. I'm on live program. Share you want. Alpha Muna Chohino from the horse's mouth. Abasazim in the next 20 minutes. I get easier to another day. Share you want. Na camera self. Okwanya na-eme ye flip abịa hụ ma ndị a ga-ahụ ha ma ndị a ga-eme gị na ọkwa with this thing now. This one just flip. Please, nobody should call me on this line. I'm using this phone to do live program. Share one. I want to turn this thing back. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it. Please, nobody should call me on this line. Comment, ask any question. Ask any question you want to ask. Like you're asking question, I will be responding here. Ask any question you want to ask before we go. I don't want to play music on this program. I want to stop that thing. Like when you want to anchor a live program, you have to start playing songs. I don't want that anymore. Anytime I'm coming on live program, I don't want it. So let's first and foremost, we'll start with any question. Ask me any question. Please don't join APC. My dear, my love, I have to join. Oh, I have to join. Nze. Anayo. Happy, right? Anayo Nze. I have to join. No. Shameless people love. So I don't even know. So Bikono, share. When actually you know the news, I came with it. Share, and ask me any question on comment section. Then when asking, I will be responding to you. Share. When actually get programmer can take you quite time again. But Oruhala 5:20 in the next 18 minutes. I'm taking off. You can join APC as long as it will. How's it, man? Share. The more you share, invite people. Each know him. Each know the my program. Share. Each know my program. Share. Invite people. Once in the next 18 minutes, Oruho, that's 1K views. Because I know you guys can do it. I know what you guys can do. I know you guys can do it. If we did not get to that 1K view, I'm not telling you guys why I'm here. Come make for my ass no buribu because let me cover it very well. Share no. Ask me anything you wanna ask. On your snow, go and sit there if you don't have anything to say. Who are you referring to? Because I'm banning you from my live stream now. And I've done that. Abia mi here mana give aka akụkọ. Share. My tummy is zombie. Thank you. Tummy eji wee mụkwa ụmụ ịnọ ka njikwa. Ama akọkọ elu kọrọ ala. Akọwakwa tummy, akọwakwa nonsense na no for these people. They are matter retired person. Association of ndị nwere aka ọrụ. Ndị kowa gwụrụ. Biko ana m end the program in the next 18 minutes. Maybe it should be like 15 minutes now. in the next 15 minutes I will end it. Bikon share no mona chohin ya the matter jiwebia so you know concern me again no this one now until another time again okwa ma okwekwa mu unu maka nseme afi no can't talk anything because people go dey expect me to talk. I no go talk. So that is who Mariam is. When you're expecting to hear something from me, you will not hear it. So you people are supposed to know how I roll. Share. I'm tired of shouting share. Please, please tell us now. Why are you so eager to hear what I want to say without sharing? Share. I know what you want to say. Even if you know what I want to say, that's what you know and what you think. But you did not hear anything from my mouth, isn't it? You know what I want to say. You only know what I want to say. But did you know the other ones? No. You may be right. You might not be right. So guys, I love you guys, okay? My pretty queen. Okay, someone asked me, my pretty queen, is it true that yeah, question now on the self? What is the question? Draw your question again. Okay, is it true that Ogechi is with the Interpol now? Kevin or when no one information on girl? Ojo for Ghana. Where did you hide it? You had it from her or from whom? Share. Share now. You guys will share this. Share this. Let me check how many minutes more. Okay, this is 7 minutes past 6. 7 minutes past 6 in the next 13 minutes. In the next 13 minutes, Obama Aquarapua from first social media. Yeah, since 10 minutes you are shouting share. Of course, now I have to shout. If I don't shout, how will you listen? Can you adopt me as your brother? Emmanuel, where are you from? It is all over social media. What is all over social media? What's that? No forgiveness. Joy has finally arrived. Share. Okay, since you guys are not share. Oh no, guys, okay, why I better name not exactly like this today. Okay, guys. I have only 30 minutes. Madam, can you help get some a job? Madam, can you help get someone a job or get you a job? In Abuja. Nah, I don't get to quite anybody I know from social media here any job or because these people. Marabel, please call me. Very important right away. I'm Marabel here, so I don't know who. Okay, maybe she or another person. No, I cannot get anybody job on social media. Because in the social media, I come to realize many of these people, when you bring them close to you, they talk shit about you. You bring them close to you, they gossip you, they lie against you, just like someone was peddling lies against me. So, it's all about authority, authority. The 4 people that label the allegation of na njiwerukwa na-emekwa rubbish and all sort of nonsense. There are some things that it's not even my integrity to talk about it, but those people, our case, not law can't get the case. That's it. It's all about police calls. That is it. I want you people to understand something today. I, Mariam, I promise myself that there are things that I will not do on social media. I cannot come and engage myself abusing someone on my page, calling people names, labeling them or fake whatever, or lying against them, just like I've been bullied. I mean, so many things. They have done so many things to me, thinking they're gonna break me, thinking they're gonna bring me down, thinking it's gonna move me, thinking it's gonna stop the movement. I want you guys to understand that you guys, you guys cannot break Mariam by all this fake news and lies and all this. Instead of rather, you guys are putting yourselves in problem, because I'm this kind of person. You come to social media, you bully me, you lied against me, you defend my character. My dear, my only power is authority. I will go to authority, that's all, because I cannot come and engage anything with you. I cannot come and engage fighting with you. It's not part of me. It's not my life. It's not my thing. It's not my integrity. It's not what I represent. It's not how we were brought up. It's not what I'm made for. I mean, I'm someone that I have integrity to protect. I have families. I have friends. I have well-wishers. I have responsible people. I cannot do this. I cannot come and engage myself in responding to anyone. So, if after doing all these things to me, you guys should know that in the past, since this January, in fact, no one has been bullied on social media. Madam Mariam Justice, they have done all sort of things to me, to the extent someone came out saying they paid him to come and defend my name, to come and say that I have a personal how do I even put this? I feel so shy in talking about this kind of nonsense things. But all I'm going to tell you people is the authority is waiting for you guys. Because that's the only place I have my say. That's the only place I have power. You can't defend my name. You expect me to keep quiet. Even if it takes you 100 years. After that 100 years, if I'm still living, we'll all see someday. We'll all come together someday. Then you will tell the law what you've been doing, what you've been saying about me. So everyone should put it at the back of their mind. They've done so many things to me, saying that come and defend yourself. I refuse to come and defend myself. Come and debunk it. I refuse to come and debunk, because I don't have anything to talk about with people like this. This set of people, when you give them little of your time, little of your space, they start insulting you, they start bullying you, they start lying against you. They don't respect people. They don't respect friendship. They don't respect themselves. They have when you distance yourself from them, they will not talk about you. You bring yourself to them, they'll do shit with your name. So that is what it is. The only thing there, I want to tell every one of you to know that when they bully me online, we'll go out there to settle it. You find guilty, you go in for it. You're not guilty, you go back to your home. Like I said to myself, after this Ogechi's issue, I'm not gonna have anything with any Igbo person again. Like we're going to authority or we're going to court of law or this or this. I promise myself that I don't wanna have that. I don't wanna do that. And I beg everyone, you guys should leave me alone. Let me focus on whatever I'm doing. Whenever I come online, I do my things, I move. I mean, still they refuse to the extent they push me. So next, you people will still hear the next steps. You people will hear the next step about these three, two ladies and two men that defame my character. Yes, three of them reside abroad. Then one person, the guy who they used, who was saying all sort of things, he lives in Nigeria here. Then the other three lives abroad. So in case of tomorrow now, if there's any in case of tomorrow now, if I don't know, the same you people will still come and say she's terrorizing in Igbo with police and all sort of things, because yes, the case is with the police as well. So it's just matter of time. Whenever they are around, they must face the law. Yes, it's a promise. I promise with the last drop of my blood and my body and my life. Whenever they are around, they must face it. So that's what it is. You people should leave me alone. Everybody should day his day. You people should stop bullying me. I'm someone's daughter, and I have children. I have 4 kids. So, Igbo, may God bless each and every one of you. The main program I came to tell you people, I came with it. I did not say it because you guys could not get yourself up to the 1,000K view that I told you people. So I'm gonna end this live program, but all I'm gonna tell you guys today, if you know you're putting my picture, I did not do anything to you, defaming my name. This is my name. I have children. My children will grow up and see all those things. So if I don't take you guys to the court of law, how are these children gonna be happy in the nearest future? How are they gonna be happy? Children are growing. My first child is 18 years. My second child is 13 years. The fourth one is 10 years. My last baby is 8 years. These children are growing. Tomorrow they will see all those things. So if I'm taking anybody anywhere, as long as the law is concerned in this country, nobody should blame Mariam, because a lot has been going on. You guys are seeing it. They'll come and say, okay, come and defend yourself. I will not. Come and say this. I don't know why they want me to engage on nonsense talking with them. It's not possible. But I want you guys to know. And for all of you that defend my character in terms of labeling me what I did not do, you guys should know that my husband is aware of this, and my husband knows about this, and my husband is as well on this case. You people should know. I swear to God, what they are doing to me on social media, they will cry under the court of law. Because when the law will prove to them that what they did is very, very wrong, then they will realize that yes, you can't defend my name. You cannot, because I have not done that to you. So why would you come and just to prove what nonsense point? I don't know. But these four people, I swear to God, I'm gonna tell you guys this thing today. I will never forgive them till the rest of my life. And the justice must prevail. Law must prevail. This 4 person, the guy in Nigeria, the 3 people that reside abroad. I am just coming back from where I'm coming back now. Like I'm just coming back from the authority. Like I'm lying down here, I'm coming back from the authority. You guys should ask your whatever should I say? I mean, you guys should ask her or him if you guys' case are also there or not. What I'm gonna say to you people, see this 4 person over my dead body. In fact, let me tell you guys something now. Over my dead body. Let me tell you guys something. You see Ogechi, she did a lot to me. But then, do you know that I can forgive Ogechi? Like, forgive her from my heart. But you see, this 4 person, the guy that said all manner of things about me, innocently, I want you guys to know how I held them in my heart. But you see, these 3 persons that reside abroad, 2 ladies and the man, and the one over, until I get to my 6 feet, I will hold them in my heart till that 6 feet. And they must dearly pay under the court of law. They must dearly pay. If what they did to me is an offense to go to jail, they must go to jail without me having any remorse. If what they did to me will get them to jail, I don't care. That's what I'm telling you people. I don't care. If what these 4 persons did to me, the guy in Nigeria, I don't want to mention any name, but they know themselves. The guy in Nigeria, until I die, I will never forgive him. With the 2 ladies and the other man, I swear to God, I'm like feeling, let me close my eyes and open it and see them in Nigeria, so that let the case begin. Let the case just begin. I did nothing to you, and I did not offend you. I did not do anything to you. You just came out to tarnish my image. For what reason? For what reason? For what reason? No way. I'm feeling very, very unhappy because these people are very much far from me. But they must dearly pay under the court of law. They must dearly pay under the authority. They must pay under the authority. Next time in their whole life, they will never defame anybody's character again by lying. Oh my God. I've been silent. You guys know I've been silent for this for how many months now. I'm silent. But my silence is golden. My silence is not just silent. My silence is working. And the whole thing I'm happy. I am happy. I'm happy. You guys know what they did to me. They're like, the problem is, you guys are Igbo. I'm Igbo. All of us are Igbos. No one is Igbo than the same Igbo mind you have is the same Igbo mind I have. And my own is even double mind because I'm married to a Fulani. And these are the people, if you don't even have mind, you can't marry them. Yes, if you're not physically strong, you can't even marry them. Why are you calling me? I'm using this line. If you're not emotionally strong, you can't marry them. So the same Igbo mind you guys have, mind of trying to make sure that, yes, if you want to destroy people, you destroy them. If you want to tarnish their image, you get your mind strong and tarnish their image. The same Igbo mind you people have is to say all of us are Igbos. Me too, I have mind. So what makes you think tarnishing my name will break me? Saying all sorts of things about me will break me. Lying against me. Lying. Innocently. You have a wife. You have children. You just sit down and say, oh, okay, it's Mariam justice. And because of this thing that you guys were doing, I actually even wanted to let go of this Ogechi's case. But because of what you guys were doing, I refused to let go. Until justice will prevail. No, don't tell me the worst thing I can do in this life is to forgive Ogechi. Don't tell me that. You can't tell me that. You don't have my mind. You are not me. I'm just me. I'm telling you how I feel. Nobody will come and tell me if I'm to forgive Ogechi or not. Nobody can tell me that. It's my decision. If I decide to forgive her, I forgive her. If I don't decide, I will not. After all, none of you here has supported me in anything. I was the one spending my time, my energy, my resources, my health, my everything. None of you supported me in anything. Even the case that I'm still the one on top of the case. The same guy who lied against me will come out and be telling people, she's not the one, no, she's not the one, no, she's not the one, it's another person that is holding the case. So but then that's what he chose to say. He has said so many things. So none of you supported me. None of you were there for me. I did this fight all alone. I did this fight just me alone and my God and my darling brother. My darling brother. Yes. Intelligent scholar. Let me mention his name. He's my backbone. He's the only person that stood firm for me in everything. None of you. So nobody can tell me anything. Nobody can tell me anything. I still did my best to make sure that there's peace among the Igbos. They still come out with different things against me, thinking that they will break me down. How can you break me down? What makes you think? What makes you guys even worsen the whole thing? You guys worsen the whole thing. You guys make the whole thing worse. Even when I decided, at some point I was just quiet about the whole thing. That was when I decided to let me just forget this person. Let me forget this person. And I told her, okay, go out there, make an apology to my husband and my children. Let's just end this thing. You go your way. But you have to put undertaking that you're not gonna call my name in any way again. I spoke to the mom. The next thing she came, calling my mother, abusing my mother. It's not right. And you guys are here clapping for her, pushing her to do more, being happy. Now here you're telling me I should not forgive? If I want. But it's going to be hard because, I don't know, am I even still on the live program I was? Is it still on? Can someone write to me? Is it still on? Can someone say yes, I'm still on? Mariam, this thing like it went off, it came back again. Can someone relate to me and say yes? Can someone, okay, yes, right? Thank you. So like I'm saying, a lot of things has happened, a lot. In the sense that at some point I wanted to let go. Okay, this person, go and take undertaking. Don't call my name again. And please, even if you're doing your things, minimize some things. Because we're all adults, you need to minimize some things. Let's just end it. But you guys were still saying more and more against me. Saying more and more to the extent she would even come up and be like, going to those places they're calling my names, and she will be like gingering the whole thing. You see, it's not good. It's not good. All I know, I came, I fought, I did my best, and I did my best. Even if none of you see my best, I tried. At some point, the weight was like where they used tipper on top of somebody. The weight of their bullying, it was so high. I still remain firm, strong. be that person I am. That's Mariam I am. You guys are Igbo. You cannot, nobody is more Igbo than each other. You're Igbo, I'm Igbo. The same blood running us. My own Igbo is even Imo State. Imo State, Gongo, Okigwe, Gongon, Ndokigwe, I don't know one, more for two. Okigwe, even if I can Okigwe, my own village where ABC and water. Isi and which has to get water. So I wanna go look me finish, look where I come from finish. This end una own Igbo pass my own. Uno putuna nemem heni unu nemem na media. Onye puta obayega phone ye o ma ihe oga ka obido kawa Mariam. The worst part, if you just give them little of your time, these are people that will come to you. You'll be free as okay. We're all Igbos, women. Let's talk. They will start recording you. That's why many people, even when they call me, I don't pick again. They will record you. They want to come and play. Come and play. Kasi no nya kukwero. There's of course. O kasi no nya kukwero. Onwere onye Igbo carry ibe yo. Otisi Igbo cancel Igbo. Even if you learn in mind, my own mind can because it check ebe ngara di gafu di na lamba no n'ime ndị Fulani ka m lụrụ di. Ị ga-amazi ka ihe kara onye a obi o ji were gawa as far as this. So all these things unu na-eyi na-ebully na-eme this, you guys are implicating yourself more and more. I will not lie to you. You guys, all these three international people that I have issues with, that I've reported you guys to anywhere I can report you people. Anywhere I can report you people. I have done all the necessary things I have to do under the court of law. I have done it. I'm just waiting anytime you guys arrive in Nigeria. Because I came in peace and I told you people, after this Ogechi's case, I don't want to have anything with anybody. It's normal. How can a woman then somebody will come out and start saying that onya, you know, onya get me nonsense, get dinner. Let me tell you people something. You see this person that that came out to say this. Let me swear with my own life. Ya wuru na mo no onya ejegidele ije gbagide also. Ga na any hotel. Gas na na-eme any rubbish like they mentioned. Asem Chineke na. Kehem geji, what will I say? What will I say? Asem ke the highest in him geku. I don't want to involve my children, but asem Jesus. Asem ka kehem geku. What ka asem ka. Let me not even come reading do. But then, if this person, this guy in Nigeria here, and these three ladies, I swear, mechuni here, case mono Ogechi, kaka, case oge, I swear to God, ya una mono megide here no wa una abaha prison. Uno mana that na. Uno mana that na Hey, and when me came unu, I will never. They go wow, bro. I will never leave these 3-4 persons. I will never. Stop saying start with him first. Don't say that. Start with this, start with that. You don't know what I'm doing. You don't know the level I've gone to. You don't know. Many of you people, amam ka brain unu shanron. Unu feel you when you just go and borrow police. If you go to the police, you jida mad ta. The next day, the person I get bail because you can't keep the person. Of course, I get bail then the person must go to court. Yes, but the main thing no is court. Can we turn you guilty? That is it. But can we tell the guilty? In what more, it's okay. I've forgiven this person. Yeah, by when more, you forgive the person. The person must go in for it. Or whatever you said, if they cannot abide by it, the person will serve the sentence. That is what it is. Just like the case just like the case on ground now. What is it? The whole thing is coming to, okay, this is, we want it to be resolved. We want it to be resolved. Okay, you want it to be resolved, then it's left for me to decide, will I let's go, or we should go to court. But there are people that I cannot even give them that chance of telling me such thing. There are people I cannot even give them such chance to tell me such thing. Actually, I want you guys to understand. Kunu jikwenti unu na-anụ. Aga m anọrọkwa onwe m, a na-akpọ m social media mpụta taa. O nwere ike not 2-3 days up. Ana m eri nne na social media. I have so many things doing. Na m na-apụta social media just to come and keep moving na social media, nothing more. I don't do agitation again. I don't fight government again by saying agoro adira. You know, the way people are suffering. Before I used to talk about it. So I don't longer do it. I don't longer talk about it. I'm just on my own, doing my things. Still, una choho kam zike. I always tell you, the more you remember this, the more you guys are putting yourself in problem. Ndị Igbo ga na-anụ ya. Eruechi now, asị na ị gakwara ga gazeti ya mmadụ, ị gakwara ga tinye mmadụ na court, i werekwe polisi na-achụgharị mmadụ. Mana mgbe ahụ ha ga-apụta na-eme ma akaja niile, unu ada ahụ ya. Unu anụ dị si ya. Ndị niile mara na mana ha nwere case. Is ego not ego will not solve your case. Let the law listing evidence and proof. When they listing, they will judge. There are things that money that uno feel in Nigeria now. Nigeria now is a Nigeria that you come and give like I remember when Ogechi was saying with the $1,000 and the police and the police but it's good that she came back. She realized that is not Nigeria is not like that. It's good she came back, she realized it. So any one of you feel it na okay, if everybody here police, ejimego, ngenye police. Kwe police, my police, police igabia, shiki inyego, local police station, no. Local police station. So there is nothing like here. If you feel it up right here with a bribe, no. Nigeria now is not like Nigeria maybe you people used to think of before. There's nothing like corruption now. There's nothing like bribing. There's nothing like, everything is all about facts. Mariam, after this program, contact me. This one in Igaha contact me. That's your problem, because this is the privilege you have to contact me. So if you want, you contact me, but if you don't want, that's problem. But all I'm saying, unkoya neme yajishike. Unu neme Mariam, you guys problem on this Ogechi's case. You guys supposed to ikwetala na wanya we kwe. So una bese come because una happen everybody day in day. After this Ogechi's case, confess is the people futrana na sina haji otom. Haji so many things about me. Haji can let them come. Let them just come. So after nke hazi, mga no kwara onwe again. Another people be akotekwe me again. It depends on the weight of unya akoterem. Ha kotekwe that will continue. We will continue going na nga no 100 years. But as long as we are living, ha be akote, ha be na ekwu na social media. So ha kotem authority ka anyị ga-aga. Enwere m ike. And when I do my energy, I'm not even feeling well to come and be talking nonsense. No, I want the energy. No, I have to do something with Maribel. I have to do something with Ogechi Benko. Ogechi Benko and Maribel, I have to do, except if they don't want to do. If they don't want to do with me, that's their problem. That's fine. But if they want to do, let them contact me. That's it. If they want to do, let them contact me. If they don't want to do, that's fine. If Maribel want to do, I'm fine with her. So I got my Makanya na query na social media. What we think about is tomorrow, future, reputation of our children. It's not all about what nonsense you say today and tomorrow when you're no more, the thing will live after your children. The trauma will be there. No, it's not all about that. Nobody is stupid. If you don't use your brain, your mind, your IQ, when the opportunity is there, you cannot get it again. It's gone, it's gone. And you sit down and cry for the rest of your life. So I don't care. All I know is at this point, these two persons, if they want to contact me, let them contact me. Maribel, don't feel any fear. Don't feel anything. I'm not going to hurt you. You know I'm going to hurt you. So if you want to talk to me, you talk to me. If you don't want to talk to me, that's fine. Ogechi Benko, you too, same thing. If you want to talk to me, you talk to me. All I know is Yamasatara sharing of women's nude must stop on this social media. Onya puta, ye mewe nko o meme. That is what I was agitating for. Onya puta ya mewe nko o yeme. Uno hapu rest in peace. Uno hapu sharing of nude. These two things. Okwanya ajishi ka ejide Mariam justice ka akpogbuo ya n'obi. Ị na-akpọbụ m n'obi awụmụ Jesus Christ. Ị na-akpọbụ m n'obi awụmụ Jesus Christ. Ọ mmadụ ka nwụrụ now. So it's not possible. It's not possible. Because na asị m emezila ihe dị otu a. Onye pụta ya mewe nke onye chi ịlụ gị ọgụ chi ejie ya wụrụ ihe onye pasịtara. Ha lụwa from morning to night chi ejie kọwaa na nne ndị mmadụ kọwaa na nna ndị mmadụ. Hapụ na ụmụazị. Hapụ na ọtọ ụmụ nwaanyị. Ọkwa ihe m ji ga-ekote. A guy pụta from Abuja here na-asị na akwụrụ ya ụgwọ. The video is here na akwụrụ ya ụgwọ ka ọ bịabe blackmail ọmụ ka ọ bịabe kwuo na mụ na ya na ọnya na odi na gwe so many things. Ya wuru na onweghị ihe dị otu a mere asị m ota unu ha ụmụ nwoke Igbo ụmụ nwaanyị unu ga-eji ala zere mmiri. Unu na ahụhụ ụwa unu ga-atagide ahụhụ ụwa dịgo wu na agwụ for lying against me. Hey baby, don't come here. You got me a gift? Come baby, come. But don't show your face. I'm on live program.
Can I read it to you?
You want to read it for me?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay, you can read it.
Front page, and this is the back page.
Okay, read it.
It says love you.
Love me, right? Oh, thank you.
So this says ha. There's gonna be more to this word.
There's gonna be more to that?
Yeah.
Okay, come closer, but don't show your face. But don't mention the name of your school here.
Okay. I love it when my mom and I make funny jokes about me.
Wow.
She helps me get ready.
Can you get your voice louder a bit?
She helps me get ready in the morning.
Oh, mommy helps you get ready in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my last baby. Oh, mommy helps her get ready in the morning. Every day I wake up 5 o'clock. Child, Timo. I'm hearing you, okay?
I also love it when she always allows me to help her cut carrots in the kitchen.
Oh, you always like it when I say she helped me cook something in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And she's just 8 years old. She's my last baby.
So this says ha.
Yes.
P.
Okay.
And then I love it when the way my mom helps me when I'm hurt. I love when she stands up for me when people are being mean.
Oh, you love the way when mommy stands for you when people are being mean on you.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Becky.
I also love it when she puts her makeup on and looks like Kim Kardashian.
Oh, you like it when I put makeup on myself or you?
Or on you.
Oh, she says she likes it when I put makeup and look like Kim Kardashian. No one Kim Kardashian. Timo, no one Kim Kardashian. Okay, baby, I'm listening.
Happy.
You know,
Mud.
they are kids. You can't. Although matter, she came in here. I'll ask her to leave. I have to listen to her. They come first. Listening, baby.
Happy mud. There's gonna still be more.
Oh.
3 words that describe my mom.
Oh, 3 words that describe your mom.
Yeah.
What?
Magnificent smartness.
Oh, magnificent English woman. So, woo. And which one again?
Outstanding beauty.
Oh, outstanding beauty.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, hug mom. Outstanding beauty. Una no fun ever. Don't show your face. Come, go, mama. Go, mama. Go, mama. Also, that mama ya how outstanding beauty. Ona chat to come. Wait. Ona chat come. Then to see. O nwere ya buru ntutu ndị Fulani one very long. Ihe akwa ntutu just mix with attachment, but look at where her hair ends. Hey, ugo mama, nne m, ọ sị na mama ya was outstanding beauty. Una ahụla ifu hey Chimo, ifu na ụmụ m na-akpọ them outstanding beauty.
And the last word is moms are the best thing.
Oh, thank you. Then let me have the card.
And also, wait, this is MOM, so which is moms? Okay, so
and you got me a tea pack. Oh, what a tea pack. So what is the flavor in this tea pack?
Lemon ginger.
Lemon and ginger. Oh, mama.
You just need to pour hot water in.
Oh, I need to pour hot water.
Yeah.
And do what with it?
And you can just drink it and smell the sweet flavor.
Oh, thank you. God bless you, okay?
But there's still more.
No, don't worry. Later I'll finish it up, okay? May Allah continue to bless your days.
Okay.
May Allah give you best husband. That's the most important one. A husband that will take care of you, just like your daddy is taking care of me, okay? A husband that will take you to be his sister. A husband that will love you, okay? I love you so much. God bless you all, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
May Allah keep guiding you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, baby. Okay, go. I'll see you later. My last baby, she's just 8 years. She came, so I cannot ask her to leave. And she brought this card. We're going to hand on him a card with the serum tea, 1 Lipton, flavor ginger. Mine was not ginger again. So it's good, okay? It's good to be there. Tamunja, many of you bully Mariam. Mom has confirmed it that she likes the way I prepare her for school. Every day, I don't care, I don't mind when staffs. Every day I wake up around 5 o'clock every day to make sure that I'm not just sitting in the bed sleeping. Almost I'm saying bye mama to school. No, I make sure I watch off after them. The one I can do, I do. The one I will need help, they will help me. Their breakfast, I will make sure I'll see whatever they are giving them. So I'm just there. I'm just there for my children. And you guys have witnessed it. So please, guys, I'm gonna end this live program here, okay? I will come maybe some other time, okay? I just want to tell you guys that just because I gave somebody privilege to come to me. All I know, they will pay for it under the court of law. Only the law got in between me and them. This set of people, come on, God forgive her. I will forgive. Ogechi did things to me, but come on, God forgive this set of people. I will forgive Ogechi. I am telling you people today. I am telling you people this thing today. Ogechi did a whole lot to me. Mana. Udunka mmadụ ga-abịa tụgide mmadụ ibe ya ashị na ịkpọrọ ya gaa hotel and the mmadụ ọzọ apụtakwa na-etinye picture gị. Some I don't want to always some words I don't want to use. There are some words I don't want to use. When someone will come out and be asking himself, what did I do to you? Why are you petitioning me? Or why are you suing me? And this person forgot that he would take your picture and attach with someone's picture, put it on his page. No, like, wait, my phone is dead. I would have just called my husband now. Can these people now say now, this woman, your husband know this thing. Your husband know this thing. I know I'm innocent. I would have just called my husband. My husband, I'm not live video now. I would have like bring the issue, because the issue was even raised. What was even raised today. I'm like, these are the set of people doing this. So you girl, put it at the back of your mind. Put it at the back of your mind. I swear with my life, you have a cause to settle with me. You have a cause. You have a cause to settle with me. You have a cause to settle with me. You people should forget about Ogechi's issue. If Ogechi is found guilty, she goes and serve her sentence. If she's not found guilty, she leaves and she'll go and talk to herself, caution herself, know what she'll be doing with her life. So that is it's just two things. So that's it. That one is not an issue. But the I want to tell each and every one of you, this life, whatever you do, you must pay for it. Pay for it under the court of law. Under the law.